time.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite girl, A.MaRee, and y'all already know what time it is, right? It is a wig review. So if you guys would like to see what this wig is and all about it, then just keep watching. But before we go any further, I would love for you guys to hit the subscribe button as well as the notification. Comment down below something right now, and in that comment also comment notification on point so you will be featured in a upcoming video. Let's get into it. All right you guys, we have us a new wig, a headband wig. This wig is by the company called Meyfell on Amazon. It is a headband wig, and I don't have much information because my best friend bought this wig for me for my birthday. I did not order it. This company did not reach out to me, but I still wanted to give it a go and show you guys the wig because it was so cute on my best friend. And she was like, well, here, you gonna get one in a few days. And I was like, what? Okay, cool. And I already laid down my hair, and let me tell you guys, I did use my Ebin Newyork Extreme Hold Edge Tamer. You guys know that I am a part of Ebin Newyork's PR list, and I have been using their edge tamers ever since they sent it to me, and I am in love with it. We're gonna put this bad boy on. Let's see. This is exactly how I want to wear the hair. And I just want to finger comb the curls loose. Is a synthetic wig, so I do get a lot of shedding. But I kind of want to knock these curls loose. Y'all need y'all some of that edge tamer by Ebin Newyork. If you guys would like to purchase, I will have a direct link to that edge control, you guys. All right, so to be honest with you guys, the hair is a little tangly, but it's to be expected because it's synthetic. And I'm sitting here trying to finger comb the curls out because I want it I want it like that. So all right, so let me show you guys. I think this is a 20 or 24 inch. I can't remember what it said, but this is so cute, y'all. This is cute. Y'all see how long it goes? It goes close to the nape of my butt. Oh, this is so pretty. Y'all, this hair is gorgeous. And the makeup look makes it even look calmer. Oh, yes. But it does shed a lot, you guys. It does shed a lot. I like it. I think it's super cute. Once again, the company did not send this to me, so thank you to my thief for sending me this wig for my birthday. I really like it. This is a birthday gift, so yes, I like it. If I could find, I'm gonna have my best friend send me the link so that I can link it down below for you guys to get it. You guys, this headband wig was only 10 bucks, and I think this is good. I think this is a good one. I think you guys need it. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. Get you some edge tamer. I will have everything linked down below. And yeah, y'all are gonna be seeing this wig a lot more because she cute. She is cute. If you guys want to see this makeup look, go ahead and hit the subscribe button as well as turn your post notifications on so you won't miss it. Thank y'all for watching this quick, easy headband wig that you need. And I will catch y'all in the next one. Deuces.